up your room.
Wake up.
Wear your jacket. You had too much chocolate. Clean your mess. Don't let anybody hurt you. Stop fighting over the iPad. Don't play video games.
Clean the house.
Don't go outside while it's tomorrow. Finish your food. You have to eat. Take turns watching TV. Be nice. Stop playing in the office.
Do good in school or else I'll take your phone.
Do your homework. Don't be loud. Don't you sleep. Stop playing with that door. Put your toys away. Do your best.
Don't forget your keys.
Stop crying. Don't make a mess. Clean up your bed. Just let me go eat. Pick up your clothes. Throw your trash away. First time, go to sleep. Our dad tells us those things because they love us. He loves me. He loves me.
He loves me.
He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day! 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 The end! Happy Father's Day! We love you! Ow! Bye! Stop playing! Put your toys down! Clean up your...
Do good in school or else I'll take your
Do your... Pick up your clothes! Clean up your mess!
Loud. Ready?
Quiet.
Set. Oh. Go. Go.
Oh, yeah.
Set. Go.
What's your...
Be nice.
I'm Ronnie and I'm loud.